Nice, right? The mountain, the views, how we climbed that high waterfall. I saw the same thing at that moment until happened this. Yeah guys, that was avalanche, but let me show you all from the beginning and why it happened. But first thing first, let's check where is the waterfall which we have to climb, that you can understand where is the start and where is the end of that waterfall. So guys, the plan is next. I pick up the Leo, we go to the first waterfall, try to climb this waterfall, then we go to the hotel, put on the charge all our devices, phones, cameras, drone, and then tomorrow we go to the another waterfall. Also try to climb it, and then we go to home. I don't know how it will be, but one thing I know for sure guys, this is gonna be really interesting video. I pick up Leo and we have like more than 200 kilometers from the Munich to Rhine, Italy. That's really famous place because there are a lot of ice waterfalls and it's really good place for ice climbing. We arrived at the place and you guys have to understand that we arrived really late, like we was on the place like 12 a.m. and we have to pack all our stuff and then we have hike like 1.5 hours and it was not the easiest hike, so we have to be really fast, so we pack all the stuff and start hike. So finally we are here, near the start of this waterfall. I can say that the hike was easy, the hike was really hard, and now we take our gear and start climbing this waterfall.
We don't have that much time, but no problem.
Okay.
I mean, it's just...
Then I'm starting, yeah? So Leo climbed first. He made the road, and I have to go after him and take off all screws and then climb up also. Yeah guys, it's look really hard, but it really is, because you have to climb and then you have to hold yourself on the one hand and take off the screws, put the screws and then climb up. It's really hard, but I mean the views in the mountain and that feeling that you feel how you climb this waterfall, it's really cool. But we have the last part of the road. It was like 100 meters vertical ice wall, and we see with the Leo that conditions are really bad. How we can understand that? Because when you put your ice sack inside the ice, it's not holes, like big pieces, big chunks of ice fall down, and it can be really bad. Leo goes first. He was like 15 or 20 meters up, and I heard that Leo started screaming ice, and then I understand that something had to fall down on my helmet now. And then next happened.
Bro,
Thanks God, nothing bad don't happen. I'm okay. Ice just hurt a little bit my shoulder, but it's okay. And then we go on, we climb this waterfall, and you might think that for what we're doing this. Yes, it's really hard, it's really dangerous, but guys, now I show you all those views, and then I hope you can understand everything. Guys, just exactly in that moment you can really feel, you can really understand for what all this stuff doesn't matter. Ice climbing, mixed climbing, hiking, camping, just spend time in the mountain. It's, I don't know, it's the best stuff for me, what you can feel, what I can feel there, because when you're there, that feeling of freedom, it's the best. For me it's the best. But now we have back to reality, because on that moment we have like 6 p.m. and it started dark, and I forgot really important stuff. I forgot my ATC device, and now I don't know how to go down, but thanks God, the Leo knows some technique. He go down first and then I go down. We have like 3 points to way down, and when we was on the second point in the middle of the road, it was like completely dark. first goes Leo, then give me his ATC device, and then I fix myself on the rope, and then I go down. And finally we was down. We forgot our headlamps in the car, but we have the phone. We packed all our stuff and start the hike to the car. All road from the start to the top and back take like from 1 hour, 1.5 to I think to 7 or more, and we was pretty tired. All what we need in that moment is just go to the hotel. As you can see, I already packed all my stuff. So yeah, today we did a lot with the Leo. We came to the hotel at I think 9:30 p.m. and we're pretty tired. And all what I really want is sleep. So see you tomorrow, guys. And then we understand that we can do some another waterfall in the next day, because the chunk of ice which fall down on my head firstly fall on the Leo's knee and he hurt his knee, so yeah, we decided to go back to the Munich. Yeah guys, like that was my second experience in the ice climbing. Now I have to say something clever, something to motivate you to do that stuff, but if be honest guys, ice climbing it's really hard stuff. Definitely the hardest what I did before in the mountain. Ice climbing not for all people. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel, and remember guys, go somewhere, doesn't matter, mountain, some lakes, just go in the nature and it can really help you. So subscribe guys, I will post more video here, so don't lose it, and see you next time guys.